Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be playing in my yearly savings binder. I have $120 here to save, so let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so most of this is going to be going towards my car insurance today. I have my bill coming up just this next week, I think. So I have $920 here, so I need to put $80 towards this today. Let me see if there's anything. All right, let's do this one for 5 times 15 for 75, and I'll just put an extra $5 towards it. So I have the $80 already here, ready to go. So now we should have 1,000. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1,000. So I'm going to take this money and put it back in my back to the bank pile. And then I'll just keep this in here. We'll start this again for our next 6 months of car insurance when that is due in what month? Let's see, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So in October. All right, so next, we only have a bit of money left and we're supposed to start back here with this home maintenance envelope. So let me grab my binder. All right, so this is my home maintenance fund. I'm gonna roll a dice and see how many paws we're crossing off. So we're doing 3, so that's $15. So go ahead and grab that. So this is just for anything that comes up when I do get a house. I know that there will be some things that I want to do. I might also use this for moving expenses if I end up moving in this next year. All right, so in this challenge, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So I think that's going to be it for today for the home maintenance. Let me go ahead and do some of this other challenge here for our emergency fund. So we were working on this February challenge. This is a collab hosted by Norelis Budgets. And this February challenge is by Oh Mama Budgets. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's go ahead and finish this one for 11. We got to do some catching up because I haven't even started March's challenge for this. But, you know, with this binder, it's like I'm trying to spread everything throughout all the challenges. And sometimes it's tough with just 120, especially when I have something due. So in February, I had my cell phone due, so I had to put a lot towards that. And then obviously this month I have my car insurance. So in this challenge, or for emergency this month, we have 25, 30, and 1. And when we finish this February page, I'll probably take that money and put it in my bank. And then we need to start March's challenge and do some catching up there. So let's see what's next. Let's go back to the beginning. We don't have enough to do anything with car repairs, but I do have a decent amount of money in here already. So I'm not super worried about that. My cell phone bill isn't due for another 6 months. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 91, and 92. So I think I'll skip that one today. Dentist, let's go ahead and save for the dentist because I have, like I've said in my past videos, I need to get a crown or something, whatever they called it. All right, so let's scratch one of these. All right, that is $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so now for the dentist, we have 2, 4, 45, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71. $71. This challenge by 4 Dizzy Birds saves 125. Okay, next let's do our eye doctor cards. Let's see. We have this one that we've been working on. 2, 3, 4. We have $7 left. let's just put $4 towards this. We'll get another 2 of these crossed off. So now we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, and 61. What? Oh, you know what? I think we have a scratch off in here that we've been doing, maybe? Yeah. So with this scratch off, we have that amount. And then, let's see. I guess to keep it flowing here with our order, let's just do the medical one and see what we get. And I'll probably have an IOU, but that's okay. Okay, that's $5. This little pill bottle here, which that actually, you know, I think I'm just going to actually grab $2 here from my back to the bank stash, since it's not a super huge IOU. That way I don't have to like remember it. I'm the worst at remembering my IOUs. So let's just go ahead and do that so we don't have an IOU. And now with this challenge, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, and 3. $93. That's awesome. I feel like it's so exciting to build up these savings for yearly expenses. And I don't pull necessarily like for like copays and stuff from this, but this would be more of like a medical emergency. So that is exciting to have that much saved up for that, because you never know what's going to happen. All right, so next time we will start with yearly subscriptions, and we'll keep it moving. We didn't do car repairs or cell phone, so yeah, that's okay. All right, so that is it for this video. I know it was really short and quick, but thank you all so much for watching and being here. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.